What is up, guys? I am so pumped for this. I just got the FoguesTX, previously FuegosTX, Ivar Pro 2. Let's put it together. Here's our griddle. We got a carry case for our stuff. I'll be using this because I plan on transporting this, taking it camping, taking it fishing. Oh shit, this is a cover. The other part of our clamp rack. This is the most exciting part for me. I am so pumped to use this. Here we go. Here's the special part. Fuck yeah. Custom boards, we got 2 of them, one to go on each side of our cooker. So the setup on these should be the easiest possible grill setup. You throw the legs on, you flip it around, put the grill topper, add your accessories, and you're done. So let's get to it. I am straight up beyond pumped for this grill. There's something just incredibly special about open fire cooking, and this will take you there, baby. So now I'm gonna go ahead and start the seasoning process, just heat things up, get it ready for cooking, and then obviously we'll break it in with a frog chicken. But that'll be the next YouTube video, so stay tuned. So that's the Ivar Pro 2 from FoguesTX. Super pumped. Thanks for coming along with me. You should grab one. You should get one. Let's get cooking.